So good morning everyone. So our topic for today is the scope and the limitation of the research. So what is the scope and the limitation of the research? Scope and the limitation of the thesis, dissertation or research is define the topic and boundaries of the research problem to be investigated. So pag sinabi natin scope and the limitation, ito yung mga limits na kailangan natin tanggalin or yung mga bawal or mga hindi dapat ilagay sa ating research. So it includes the limitations and the boundaries of the research. So next is the scope and the limitations. So kung sinabi natin the scope, details how we get your studies, explore the research questions and the parameters in which we operate in relations to the population and time frame. So yung scope is yung sakop or yung kung gaano ba kadami yung or sino ba yung mga sakop, ano ba yung mga pwedeng scope ng research mo. So explore the research questions and the parameters. So dito din natin. The limitation of the study are the factors and variables not to be included in the investigation. In other words, they are the boundaries the research sets in terms of duration, population size, and types of participants. Ito yung mga not included. Ayan, sabi niya, to be not included. Yung hindi makasama or yung mga limits ng research natin or limitation. Importance to the duration, population size, and the participants. So, difference between the limitation and limitation. So, ito yung medyo nagugulan yung iba kung ano ba yung pagkakaiba nila. So, the limitation refers to the boundaries of the research study based on researcher's decision what to include and what to exclude. So, kung ano yung mga pwedeng ilalagay at yung mga hindi dapat ilagay. The narrow your study to make it more manageable and relevant to what you are trying to prove. So, pag sinabi na natin limitation, relate to the validity and reliability of the study. They are characteristic of the research design or methodology that are out of your control, not influence your research findings. So, ito yung mga naman yung dito matitest kung valid or reliable naman yung research mo. So, sabi niya dito, in other words, limitations are what research cannot do outside of your control, and the limitations are what the research will not do, elements outside of the boundaries. So, sabi niya dito, limitation, yung mga hindi kayang gawin ng researcher. Tapos pag the limitation, yung hindi nila they cannot do, tapos hindi nila nagagawa. Limitation, hindi nila kayang gawin, the limitation, hindi nila nagagawa. So, yun. Both are important because they help to put the research findings into context, and although they explain how the study is limited, they increase the credibility and the validity of research project. Sabi niya dyan, how the study is limited, they increase the credibility and validity of a research project. So, meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tayo, meron tayo 7 na guidelines. Ito yung mga dapat WH question na dapat masagot. So, a good scope statement will be answer the following 6 questions. 6 pala siya. So, first is yung why. The general aims and objectives of the research. So, ano ba yung goal ng study mo? So, parang tanong ko palagi, why you conduct this research? Ano yung goal mo? Bakit mo kailangan yun i-conduct? So, next is what. So, the subject investigated and included variables. So, sabi niya, what? So, sino yung mga, or ano ang mga kasama sa research mo? Ano ba yung mga topic mo? Ano ba yung mga dapat mong sagutin? Yun, dun sa what. Tapos where? The location you're setting to study where the data will be. Where? Saan nyo ba ikakandak yung research? Isang lugar or specific na lugar. It's either merong specific or merong buo na sa buo na yun, merong kang hanapin this school from grade 1 to 6 or from grade 7 to 12, mga ganon. Meron din specific na grade 12 lang, ganon. So, next is when. The time frame within which the data is being collected. So, kailan nyo ikakanda, kailan kayo magsasurvey, kailan nyo ano yung research nyo, ganon. So, who? The subject matter of the study and the population from which they will be selected. This population needs to be large enough to be able to make generalization. So, who? Alam naman natin, sino yung mga kasama? O, yun, sabi niya dito, the larger the population, mas maganda yung to make a generalization. So, mas maganda kung 50 plus, hanggang 60 to 100, up to 100 na respondents ang population ang kailangan. So, yan yung mga guidelines. Why, what, where, when, who, at meron pa isa pala, how. How the research is to be conducted, including description of the research design, whether it's experimental research, quantitative research, or case study. Methodology, research tools, and analysis techniques. So, paano mo siya nakanda? So, from chapter 1 to chapter 5, include mo yung mga gagawin mo. Chapter 1, background study. Chapter 2, RRN. Chapter 3, mga methods. Chapter 4, results. So, yun yung mga kung paano mong gagawin yung research. To make things as clear as possible, you should be also state-wise specific variables were omitted from the research scope. And whether this was because it was delimitation or limitation. You should also explain why they cannot be overcome with standard research methods backed up by the scientific
Evidence.
So, this is an example of common delimitation from the research from 2020 to 2021 about COVID-19 pandemic. So, this study focuses on knowing the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on the student study habits. It will be focused on the students from the senior high school department of San Jose National High School. This study will be conducted at San Jose National High School during the second semester of school year 2022-2021. This will be done through survey questionnaire which is administered to the chosen respondents. The expected respondents of this research were the selected senior high school students of San Jose National High School. And students of San Jose National enrolled in school year 2022-2021. The respondents of the study are composed of 20 students, 10 boys and 10 girls. So, sabi dito kanina, why? At sila nag-conduct, yung reason nila is the effect on the COVID-19. What? Ano ba yung mga included dito? Focus on the students from senior high school. Who? Yun na yan yung mga students ng senior high school. Tapos, how they conduct? Mag-conduct sila ng survey through questionnaire. And how yun, doon na din yun papasok. So, next. Thank you.